And the boost there, it's the hard-hitting, frisky kid. I'm positive that in just 2 swats, from body parts will litter the box, and you'll cry, ouch!
We're just going to big smash them. We're so frustrated. You just want to show them what Sats can do.
Yeah, they painted a very nice target for us, right above their weapon chain, so that's the main target.
We're ready just to lay into them until they don't move.
Someone's going to die.
Ragnarok, just wait. You're gonna get a real hammering. We're gonna hammer the back end of the robot. We're gonna hammer the front end of the robot. It's gonna be destruction, annihilation, maybe a little fire.
Robots activate.
Martin Mason is bringing the fire with Crazy Cat. But did Ragnarok finally exercise those demons?
Well, listen, these are two hammer bots that have struggled all season. But if I'm Ragnarok, I want to smash that target and send Mad Catter back down the rapid.
Late to the party. So I added 3 spoons of oats. Oats, I actually poured it from this container into this container here. I added half a spoon of turmeric. I added a spoon of cocoa, a spoon of soy milk. I put in a cup of water. I microwaved it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And when it came out, I added a half spoon of brown sugar. So that's what I did. So I guess that's about it. I hope you try it though. It's really delicious and healthy. We have oatmeal, we have turmeric powder, we have pure cocoa powder, we have soy milk, and we have brown sugar. You can't beat that combo. You just can't beat that combo. That combo is healthy, it's delicious, it's just on point. Yes, it is. Okay, bye.